4 crystal beads. So now here we're going to move at the opposite side of the bead. Pick 3 beads. Now to the side, pick another 3 beads. Now move your needle to the other side. Your 3 beads and place it firmly over here. Now 3 black beads. So if your thread is facing downwards, pick 1 crystal and 2 black beads. Keep picking 2 black beads till you reach the end. Your thread is facing upwards, pick 2 black beads and 1 crystal. Now this side, we're going to pass our needle from this side all the way to the other side. So at this point, no bead will be at the side. You will just pick in black bead and be placing it on top. So you can use any method you want. You can do it step by step, but I prefer doing my own slanting like this. If you know how to do matching method, then you know that this part is not going to be difficult for you. You can choose to do your own process, and then there'll be a timestamp to show you how to ascend to give it a bow tie look. So now for the black is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you have reached 5, it's time to start ascending. Now you're going to place the 3 beads at the second one. That's how we're going to start ascending now to give it a triangular shape. Now move your needle towards here. Now just like before, carry your thread all the way to the other end. Now move your needle towards here to reach the top of the bead. Now pick 3 beads. So now as we add, let's say descending or ascending, we have already put our 1. So from here is going to be 3 beads. So you carry your needle to the side and pick 3 beads. Pass your needle to the other side and also pick 3 beads. If you have reached this side of the video, please do subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Just like before, pass your needle, place it on top of the bead, pick 3, move to the side, pick 3, and then move all the way because it's going to be 1, 3, 5. So now I've done 1, so remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll make 3 offline and then show you how to do the last one. So for this one, pick black, crystal and black. So at this point, we have reached the edge. We have gotten 5, 3, and now for the one we connect it to the other side, this side here. We have already done one before, so we're going to just connect it. So you pick one crystal, connect it with that one edge, and then connect the thread together to these two here, and then firmly drag it. This is how it will connect together. Then you move slanting as usual. So here you move all the way to this side. Here you can choose to connect both sides by connecting crystal black from one edge to the other edge, and then do it for the both sides. Or you can just look at the 4 beads at the middle and connect the 4 beads crystal with the 4 beads black bead. Either way, I choose to connect silver black, one edge to the other edge. Now that I've done my bow tie, I choose to put it on a slippers. This bow tie can be decorated in many ways, as hair tie, bracelets, necklace, even slippers as I've demonstrated. So anyhow you want to decorate using this bow tie, please, if possible, tell me how you decorated yours and what you're going to use this bow tie for. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and also share so to your friends, to anyone who is interested in making beads, and then see you next video. Thank you.